Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 magnetic induction heater of 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. ZASBIN Kia 1100W Mini Magnetic Induction Heater. The ZASBIN Kia 1100W Mini Magnetic Induction Heater offers up to 1500 W of power for quick and safe heating of bolts, nuts, and metal components. Ideal for car repairs and DIY enthusiasts, it operates flamelessly, ensuring safety and precision. The portable design and compact size make it easy to use in tight spaces, while the included 8/10 coils provide versatility for various tasks. This reliable and efficient tool is perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking a practical solution for automotive repairs. Number 2. FH 1500W Magnetic Induction Heater. The FH 1500W Magnetic Induction Heater is a highly efficient tool for car repairs and DIY projects. Delivering a powerful 1500 W output, it heats bolts, nuts, and metal components quickly and safely, eliminating the risks of open flames. With 8/10 coils included, it offers flexibility for various applications, while its portable design ensures easy handling in tight spaces. Reliable and user-friendly, this induction heater is an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists seeking precision and safety in automotive repair tasks. Number 3. XMSJ Magnetic Induction Heater. The XMSJ 1500W Magnetic Induction Heater is a powerful and portable flameless heating tool designed for automotive and DIY tasks. With a robust 1500 W output, it quickly heats bolts, nuts, and metal components without the risks associated with open flames. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, while the efficient circuit ensures consistent performance. Ideal for car repair and maintenance, this tool offers safety, precision, and reliability, making it a valuable addition to any workshop or DIY enthusiast toolkit. Number 4. Kia 1.1 kW Plus Magnetic Induction Heater. The Kia 1.1 kW Plus 1100 W Rotatable Magnetic Induction Heater is a powerful and versatile car repair tool. With 110V/220V compatibility and 1100 W output, it efficiently heats screws, nuts, and metal components without an open flame, ensuring safety. The rotatable design enhances accessibility in tight spaces, while the included March 8/10 coils provide flexibility for various tasks. Compact and portable, it's ideal for professionals and DIY mechanics looking for a reliable, precise heating solution for automotive repairs and maintenance. Number 5. MFLY Magnetic Induction Heater. The MFLY 1000W Magnetic Induction Heater Kit is a reliable tool for automotive repair, offering a flameless and efficient heating solution. Operating at 1000 W with 110V/220V compatibility, it heats bolts, nuts, and metal components safely and quickly, minimizing damage to surrounding areas. The kit includes 3 coils for versatile applications, making it suitable for various repair tasks. Its compact design ensures portability and ease of use. Overall, it's an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a safe, efficient heating tool. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.